Hello everyone, this is Miss Erin from Hauppauge Public Library, and today is another edition of the Alphabet Connection. Today we are going to be talking about the letter T. The letter T goes t like a toy turtle. What else starts with the letter T? Tiger, train, choo-choo, teacher, taco, and tree all begin with the letter T. So what else in your home starts with the letter T? Maybe you have a tomato in your kitchen or a table. Go see what you can find that starts with the letter T. So now that you know more about the letter T, you can practice making the letter T. You can practice using the practice sheet that's in your Alphabet Connection kit. You can practice on paper, or you can practice using things in your home. Today we are going to learn how to make the letter T using toys. I'm going to use toy cars, but you can use whatever toy you have at home. That you have a few that are about the same size and that are a little long. That helps too. So let's see how it's done. So to make the letter T using toys, you need a small collection of toys that are a little bit long, because that does make it easier, and that you have a few that are the same size. I'm using toy cars. You can use Duplos, you can use action figures. There are lots of different things you can use. First, you need to decide how many lines you need. So let's see, how many lines does a T have? So we have one, right? And how many is this? Two. Very good. So we need two lines. So first we're going to make this longer line here. So we'll take just a few of the cars, kind of line them up like this. Looks almost like they're ready to go on a race. Here we go. So I'm using 3 for mine. So now we have this long line here, and now we need to make this line at the top. So you can take 2 of the cars and put them on top just like this. And now you have made a T using toys. So what activities can you do for the letter T? You can start by making the T is for Tiger craft that's in your Alphabet Connection kit. All you need are some crayons or some markers. You already get the tiger, and the tiger is all ready to be decorated by you. So tigers have black stripes, right? And they have white on them as well. And you can put the eye on your tiger. And then when you're done, you can play with it, or you can hang it on your refrigerator, or you can put it in a letter book with your T, so you always know what the letter T sounds like. What else can you do for the letter T? For the letter T, you can make a tent. You can use 2 chairs and maybe a blanket or a sheet and make a tent. Or if you have a play tent, you can use that. And inside your tent, you can have a tea party with a tiger. What else can you do for the letter T? For the letter T, you can build a tower. You can use blocks or Duplos, cups, anything that won't break if it falls down. Ta-da! Let's see how tall you can make yours. For the letter T, you can do the song activity, Where is Thumpkin? I know what you're thinking. Miss Erin, Thumpkin doesn't start with a T. It doesn't go T. Thumpkin does start with a T, because when you have a T and an H together, it goes th, like thumb or thumpkin. So if you don't know this song, do your best to follow along. You can always rewind it and then play it again. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, put your hands behind your back, and we're going to use all of our fingers one at a time. Now, if you have a problem using some of your fingers, especially like your ring finger, don't worry. As you get older and you do it more, it'll get easier. Okay, you ready? Let's sing. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Now we're going to use our pointer finger. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Now we're going to use our middle finger and we're going to call it Tall Man. Where is Tall Man? Where is Tall Man? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Now we're going to use the finger next to our pinky and we're call it Ring Man. Where is Ring Man? Where is Ring Man? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. That one was hard. Now it's the last finger, it's the pinky. Where is Pinky? Where is Pinky? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, sir? Very well, I thank you. Run away, run away. Excellent job! Now it is time for a story with Miss Jill.
Today's book for the letter T is Little Blue Truck, written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink, said a piggy, beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck, coming through. I've got big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load, then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. And that's our book for the letter T, Little Blue Truck.
Other books with the letter T available at the library or online through Overdrive, Libby, or Tumble Books include The Box Turtle, Dinosaur Train, and Tell Me Something Happy Before I Go to Sleep. Thank you so much to Miss Jill for reading to us today, and thank you for learning about the letter T with me. Before we go, let's practice the alphabet song. I have my little tiger friend from our tent tea party here to sing with me. Are you ready? Let's sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you again for watching. I hope to see you next time for the letter U. Bye!